are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. With great respect and profound regard, our respected principals, our hardworking teachers, and all my dear schoolmates, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this beautiful morning. We are going to host today's morning assembly. We start every event and occasion with a prayer. A prayer is a purification of one's soul. It clears away all our negative thoughts and fills us with positivity and strength. Let us start our day by offering a prayer. I request all of you, please stand straight, close your eyes, and start praying. Sunshine is a welcome thing. It gives lot of brightness. I would like to call Sri Anantika to present welcome address. Good morning everyone. Warm welcome to our principal, vice principal, teachers, parents and friends. Today's assembly topic is preparation is the key to success. Let's make it into great discussion. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you. Thank you, Jessica, for your wonderful note of welcome address. It is great to start the morning with great thought. Thought inspires and motivates our mind. I would like to invite Jeffrey Roshan to deliver today's thought.
Good morning to all. My name is J.J. Roshan of class 6B. Today's thought. Proper preparation is the key to our success. Our act can be no wiser than our thoughts. Our thinking can be no wiser than our understanding. Said by George Franson. Thank you.
இரண்டே அடிகளில் ஏழே சொற்களில் உலகே அளந்த ஒரு நூல். எத்தனை அழகு! மனிதன் முதல் மாமன்னன் வரை மலைத்து போகும் மிக சிறப்பு வாய்ந்த திருக்குறளை கூற வருகிறார் சர்வேஸ்வரன்.
இன்றைய திருக்குறளை கூறுவது சர்வேஸ்வரன். முயற்சி திருவினையாக்கும். முயற்சி இன்பம் புகுத்திவிடும். பொருள்: முயற்சி ஒருவனுக்கு செல்வத்தை தரும், முயலாமை ஒருவனுக்கு வறுமையை தரும். மீண்டும் குறள்: முயற்சி திருவினையாகும், முயற்சி இன்பம் புகுத்தி வரும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
மிக்க நன்றி சர்வேஸ்வரன். Updating ourselves in the current happening is a good habit. It helps us stay updated and increase our knowledge. So I would like to call Bindushri to please come forward and enlighten the current happening around us.
Good morning everyone. Today's news is presented by P. Bindushri from 6th B. International news. Ukraine keen on India joining the Swiss peace process, says Envoy. National news. Bahrain calls for targeted move on militant camps. City news. Work on reinstalling HT power transmission tower yet to begin. State news. Visakhapatnam suburbs face rain. Pari alert for a Telangana district. Sports news. Golden delight for Navdeep. Bright finish for India. Today's weather report. Partly cloudy and hazy. Maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Bindushri for your updates. Let us welcome Mithun Harish and his friends to share their thoughts on preparation is the key to success. May their words be the source of encouragement and great for us.
Speech about preparation is the key to the success. Here's a
Preparation is the key to the success in various fields. Today, I want to talk about a crucial element which makes all the difference in achieving our goals and realizing our dreams. That element is preparation. In academics, preparation helps us to understand and retain the information leading to better grades and a stronger foundation for future learning. In sports, preparation enables us to develop our skills, build our strength and endurance, and gain a competitive edge. In arts, preparation allows us to hone our crafts, express ourselves more effectively, and connect with our audience. In life, preparation enables us to handle unexpected situations, adapt to change, and make the most of opportunities. Preparation is not just about achieving our success, it is about becoming the best version of ourselves. It is about developing growth mindset, realizing our mistakes, and continuously improving. The key is to cultivate growth mindset, accept responsibility for our errors, and never stop getting better. So let us practice preparation in all aspects of our life. Let us make a commitment to ourselves to prepare, to practice, and to persevere. Thank you.
Thomas Alva Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb, but his preparation and presentation